Hey, let me take a minute here and show you how the combo tone goes together. You can see here there's a little flange on here, so the bolt head never actually touches the guitar and scratch it. And on a regular guitar, it's lined with a steel washer and a threaded insert back here. So you're pulling from back here as opposed to having the threads here. It makes it much tighter. So the first thing you do, you put the front bolt in, like so. Lift up on the guitar a little bit, put the back bolt in. And then the guitar gets plugged into the steel guitar. There's another outlet here that goes to your amp. It's put together, it's good and solid. And it's switched, so this is the steel guitar, this is the steel guitar and regular guitar, and that's just the regular guitar. Thanks a lot.